What's up YouTube? Mike here with another video, and today I'm doing another unboxing and first impressions. And today I have for you the Microsoft Surface laptop. Now this has been out for about a year now, and the reason I got this is actually because it was on a pretty significant sale. So obviously in about a week, October 2nd, depending on when you're watching this video, Microsoft is going to be announcing their new hardware. So I'm assuming they're going to announce a updated Surface laptop and Surface Pros. So the significance is that means the current gen stuff is going to go on sale even more. So in case you've been eyeballing one of these and curious about it, I think the best opportunity to buy these will probably be in about 2 weeks when the new ones come out and these ones will go on sale. So with that, let's get to it. So obviously this has been out for a while, but like I said, I was able to get this on sale for $7.99. So this is actually the i5 version, so it's got 8 gigs of RAM, and this one actually only has 128 gigabytes of storage. So depending on how you utilize your device, it may or may not be enough for you. I know for me personally, the majority of my stuff is either in Google Drive or OneDrive now, or I'll just use a hard drive or a thumb drive. But this, anyways, lost train of thought, but we'll open this, but let's see what's in the box. So, and again, I got this at my local Best Buy, and it was on sale for $7.99. So there's other places if you shop around, if you go to Microsoft, Amazon, any of those types of places, you'll be able to find this thing on sale. Alright, so, and the only color that was on sale was the platinum color. So this kind of basically matches your Surface Book in other Microsoft devices. But right off the bat, it looks like I've got a Surface Pro or Surface Book. But let's get into this thing. And really, I think the Surface laptop is a good alternative if you're looking for something to, say, replace, the MacBook, the 12-inch MacBook, or the aging old MacBook Air. All right. Set that aside. So obviously you get the Surface in the box, and you get the typical material that nobody reads. And like I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, it'd be nice if Microsoft kind of threw in like Apple stickers, except obviously Microsoft stickers. And then we've got our charger, which should be the same Surface Connect type charger that you see in a lot of their products. So yeah, that's exactly what it is. So it's the exact same mating port as you would get on a Surface Pro or Surface Book. And then the charger even looks the same. So imagine if you have a Surface Book or a Surface Pro, you could use this to charge it. So we'll set that guy aside. And that is essentially all you get in the box. But let's take a quick look at this thing. All right, so right off the bat from the outside, I mean, this is a extremely premium laptop. I mean, as far as build quality goes, you're not going to find anything better. I mean, this is equal to, or if not better than, any laptop that Apple has ever made. I mean, it feels like it's just a solid piece of aluminum / magnesium. But let's crack this open. And it feels very similar to a MacBook Air, except the front part of it. All right. Oh yeah. And then you'll notice this thing is really, really thin. It does remind me of a MacBook Air, the way it slopes and it's thin in the front, but it's got a glass trackpad, which feels very nice. And then, of course, it's got the Alcantara fabric, which I'm still not sure how I feel about it yet, why they necessarily put it on the deck of the laptop, but it looks and feels just like a Surface Pro type cover. Key travel feels really good. And, of course, it's got a very big screen, but let's go around this thing and look at the ports. So it looks like you've got a USB Type A and a display port and a headphone jack on that side, which I don't know if folks still use display ports a lot. And then on the other side, you have the Surface Connect port, and that's it. So this is fairly lacking on ports, which is kind of disappointing. I think if this had a USB Type-C and a USB Type-A, that it would be perfect in my opinion. So I'm going to guess next week when they refresh this that they're actually probably going to throw a Type-C on it. But like I said, the benefit is if you've been looking at the first gen, this should definitely go on sale. So with that, this thing just looks and feels extremely premium. So I'm actually pretty excited to try it out and see what the performance is like. So as always, if you want to see anything particular on this laptop as far as performance capabilities, let me know and I'll test it during my review, and then check back in about a week and I'll drop the review for this. So as always, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and do so. And if you hit that notification bell, that'll let you know when I drop new videos, so you'll actually be able to keep track of when I do drop the review for this. So as always, thanks for watching.